How to download ChatGPT Voice audio for free. Easy text-to-speech tutorial. Open ChatGPT and generate the responses you want to convert into audio for free. Open a new tab and search for Save ChatGPT Voice on Google. From the search results, select the Save ChatGPT Voice Chrome extension. It will take you directly to the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome. When the pop-up message appears, click Add Extension to install the extension in Chrome. Please, if you have not shared, liked, commented, or subscribed yet, kindly do so to support the channel and encourage us to create more helpful content. Once the extension has been installed, switch back to ChatGPT to begin the download process. Refresh the ChatGPT page to activate the Save ChatGPT Voice extension. After refreshing, you will see a download arrow beneath the text response. Play the audio first to confirm it is the correct response you want to download. Design is the process of planning and creating something to solve a problem, communicate an idea, or serve a purpose in a visually pleasing and functional way. It involves arranging elements such as shapes, colors. When you are ready, tick the checkbox to select the text, then click the download icon to save the ChatGPT voice audio to your PC. Finally, play the downloaded audio and enjoy listening to it to the fullest. Design is the process of planning and creating something to solve a problem, communicate an idea, or serve a purpose in a visually pleasing and functional way. It involves arranging elements such as shapes, colors, lines, textures, and spaces. Tech Tricks GH, teaching tricks and techniques in IT and design. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel and encourage us to do more.